Alright.
Girl, love you.
Testing.
Shine right there. She's got everything I need.
Oh, shit. Okay. It's on. It's recording.
Only one time.
You gotta scoot up.
Okay, she's making me scoot.
Oh. Okay. What's up, y'all? I fall to the ground again. Hey, what's up, y'all? Alright. Well, you wanna... I don't want to do it on the ground.
You want to stand up? Okay.
Alright. Where's my spoon? Oh, there it is. Got my cinnamon. Y'all see the cinnamon?
Move closer. Turn it around so they can see.
I can't...
Turn the bottle around, you dork.
Oh. You see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Okay, that's
It's
cinnamon.
dark.
Well, maybe it's just the TV. It's probably the TV. Okay.
It looks like you have a mustache. Oh no, I can't do this.
You can do this. Come on. So, ah! She smacked my ass. Okay, come on. You gotta disconnect it now. You know you're still on camera. I'll put a little bit more, just to make sure.
I'm sorry guys, you're gonna see like my chest. Oh, can't really see.
Okay.
It's kind of dark, so move the lamp up on your... Be careful with that. Dude, that's a bright, funny light. Okay.
Y'all see it? So, I'm supposed to eat this?
Oh shit, I'm so scared.
Hold on, y'all. Give me that Sprite. Give me the Sprite. Give me the Sprite. So I'm supposed to eat this, right?
Yeah.
I eat it. Charles Sponge. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Pee my pants. I'm gonna pee my pants. Oh my god. You still have a lot in your mouth? Oh my god, my stomach hurts. Oh my gosh! Is it making you cry? They made Sam cry. It's fucking funny.
Y'all. Oh man, this is disgusting.
Oh my god, this is funny as hell.
Alright. I did it. Oh man.
Sprite!
I did it, y'all.
It's all in your teeth.
That is nasty. Oh Lord, I can't feel my tongue. Okay, so this is nasty. Where's my Sprite?
I want to do it, but I'm scared I'll spit it all over your room.
You want to do it? Go ahead and try it, but I'm telling you right now, it is nasty. Like, it had my eyes watering, like it was that bad. But nothing's impossible, and I managed to do it. So,
I just hope she doesn't throw up in the middle of the night on me.
So, to everybody,
dude, my stomach is hurting just thinking about it.
So, SBS Sam, hit me up, tell me what you think about this. And to every stud who wants to try it, go ahead. I managed to do it, and it's nasty. So, catch y'all later.
I love Fisher Price. 804-335-1005. LOL smiley face. Soulja Boy smiley face. 804-335-1005. LOL smiley face.